Hey, it's Ryan back. We got our full metal jacket door for the JK. This is the front. We're going to do an unboxing video for you. 15-1036 is your part number for the front set of doors. So stay tuned and we'll unbox and let you know what's inside and everything you need to do. No, just everything you need. All right, unboxing time for the JK front full metal jacket door. It's part number 15-1036. So yeah, we're going to show you what we got. So if you got a JK, you need these doors. So foam, we're going to disregard that, obviously. So these doors are all aluminum. All the hardware that puts the door together are black coated stainless steel. Get in here. See if I can move that over a little bit. Yeah. Just turn this guy a little. Okay. So here we have the JK front door. So as you can see, we have the JK OEM style hinges. We're going to have our logo. We're going to have all the hardware black coated stainless steel. This logo is removable just like on our fenders. That's your locate for the mirror. I'll show you that in a second. So all aluminum. We got the pre-drilled holes for the uppers. So that's going to be Rugged Ridge. You know, Rampage had some. Best Stop had some two-piece doors, soft. You can run the soft tops into this one. Nice wide panel for your arm. Nice and comfy. Everything's all smoothed out, so you're not going to catch yourself or hurt yourself on any of that stuff. You're going to have your door latch. Interior panel is pretty cool. So you can have pocket storage. You can have an interior handle. That's for your mirror mounts. You can have your limiting strap, hooks to the OE spot. All these bolts are stainless steel, like I said before. All the paneling's aluminum, so it's not a bad weight. Pretty manageable for anybody, I'd imagine. Let's go and see what else we get in the box here. Foam. Obviously, you're going to have two doors, two mirrors. You're going to have the interior handles for two. So this is going to be your bolt pack, hardware pack. So this is going to have your interior handles. Those guys just sit here. Just like that. You just got to nut and bolt them. Obviously, you're going to want to adjust the hinges and tighten them down when you get the door in the right spot on your vehicle. You're going to have the security bolts. I've mentioned it a ton of times. I don't particularly love to use them, but if you want, they're in there. You have their mirror bolts, and you're going to have your handle bolts. So that's about all the hardware you need. I'll show you the mirror. It's a nice JK style full door mirror. Come in a nice box here. So there you go. Mirror and gasket. Simply just locates through here. And you just nut and bolt it on the other side. But nice mirror. It's all adjustable wherever you need it to be. Looks pretty good. So yeah, that's it. Two mirrors, two doors. Your interior handles. Everything you need to get these on your JK. So yeah, we're really excited to see these out and about and see what people do with them. And You know, you put them on, send us some photos. Thanks. And a final note on the doors, we have strategically placed rubber bumpers. That gets you bumpers along where the latch is, and then bumpers at the bottom. Keeps the door nice and tight and nice and quiet. So just additional stuff we thought of to make your door experience a lot better.